Hello, reception. How can I help you?
Hello, this is room 321. I have a problem. There is no water in my room.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Would you like me to send you the plumber right away and get it fixed?
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Hello, reception. I'm sorry to bother you again, but there is something wrong with the air conditioner in my room. Could you explain exactly what the problem is?
Well, it doesn't work at all. I can't even switch it on. I guess it's broken. Could you send someone up to fix it?
Please accept my sincere apologies for the inconvenience. I'll find a specialist and let him know.
Fine, but is it possible to find another room for me today? It's really hot to be in this room without the air conditioner.
Yes, sure. We'll give you another room while we are dealing with the issue of repairing the air conditioner in your room. We can offer you room 7 and 5.
Thank you, but please make sure there is running water in the room and the air conditioner operates well.
Sure, ma'am.
Thank you for your help.
Enjoy your stay and always feel free to call the reception anytime.